Alright guys, here's your review for adding fractions. Remember, when you're adding fractions, you only add the numerators or the top numbers. You don't touch the denominators. And the reason for that, if you remember, if you're thinking of using pictures, you don't suddenly have more fourths than what you started with. You have the same amount of fourths. What changes is how many pieces you have for the numerator of them. So if I have 1/4 up here and I have 2/4 down here, they're still cut in fourths. That doesn't change. What changes is how many I have. In this case, I now have 1, 2, 3. 3 what? 3/4. So remember, when you're adding fractions, the denominators, always have to be the same number. You can't add them if they're different. And you only actually change the numerator, or how many you have. Okay? So here's another example. 3/8 of a candy bar. I get another 4/8 of a candy bar. How much do I have? Well, remember, using pictures is a great way to help us out here. In this case, I'm only going to make the 1. Divide it into 8s. Yeah, it's close. Let's fix that. There we go. Now our 8s will look a little better. Perfect. Alright, so he has 3. I get 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then what are they? They're still 8s. It's not 16ths all of a sudden. This is what 16ths would look like. 4th, 8th, that's 16th. Is that what I suddenly have? No, I still have 8s. Don't have 16ths. So, remember, that's the most common mistake I've seen kids make. They add the denominators too, and that doesn't make any sense. Your pieces don't get smaller, you just have more of them. Now, for this last one, this is what happens when you get more than one whole. And this is where pictures really can help out. Okay, so I have 8. Make fourths. I have 3. I add another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you remember, we make another box underneath it. It also has to be 8s. Okay, it's a little bit longer, but for this, it's going to be okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many 8s do I have in total? Well, I have 1 whole 8 8s here. I have 3 8s here. So if I just add all my 8s together, I have 11 8s. Or if you remember, we can put it back into a mixed number. I've got 1 whole here, right? And then I have 3 8s left over. So that's just a very quick review of adding fractions. We'll do more practice with this type of thing on Friday.